Hello, my name is Gabriella Nizam and I'm an environmental advisor for Sales for Steel. The question I'd like to answer is, what message do I have to my future self and children? And that is, don't lose hope. If you're losing hope, then you're simply not doing enough. You can create the future you want, from who you elect, to what you eat, the clothes you wear, and how you travel. You have the power to act. And it's absolutely okay if you feel uncomfortable. And it's even better if you're challenging the system and those in it. Remember, the key to successful leadership is social disruption. So please don't give up.
Hello, my name is Mishan Wickramasinghe. I am the delegate from the University of South Wales and the former Students' Union President. My most rewarding experience was taking part at 2 global conferences representing Wales. It was an opportunity for me to network and meet new people, and also just to build my confidence. An amazing part also was developing my skills as an individual to become a leader for the future.
Hello, my name is Cenedlaethau'r and I work for North Wales Fire and Rescue Service on the Phoenix Project and the Arson Reduction Team. Enw fi di Cenedlaethau'r, a dwi'n gweithio gwasanaeth tân ag achub Gogledd Cymru. Mae'r academi wedi bod yn brofiad anhygoel o werthfawr i fi. Dwi wedi cynyddu mewn hyder yn aruthrol. Dwi wedi dysgu llawer iawn o'r profiadau dyn ni wedi gael, a mae o wir wedi bod yn wych. The academy has been so rewarding. We've gained so much information, a wealth of experiences, various opportunities, and it's helped me grow as a person. I've learned an awful lot about myself, about various different organisations around Wales, about different people. I've met amazing people, and the entire experience for me has really shown me what future leaders can mean.
Hi, my name's Helen. I'm the Scouts Cymru representative on the Future Generations Leadership Academy. My highlight of the year has been getting to represent the voice of the third sector to decision makers in Wales. And if I had a top tip for anyone doing the Academy in the future, it would be get ready for the change you're about to see in yourself.